is going on, Dream attendee? This is Jay. Thank you for stopping by the Elim-A-Dent virtual booth. With me right now, I have the Elim-A-Dent version 3 14-inch mini light. This comes in a 14-inch and also a 20-inch. And on this one here, we have the power suction cup here. I'll let you hear that kick on. Does an amazing job holding on the vehicle. It is sensored so that when it catches itself losing any sort of suction, it will pull itself back on. You've also got your USB charging here, and this is your main LED light power switch. So right now I have all these set at, I have the lens set the farthest in so you get a real crisp line on these lights. Now you're going to have 3 cool and 3 warm strips on each of these, so you can set them up however you'd like, whatever your preference is. Let's shut this off, and I'm going to show you up here on top. This has the tray system on it, so you can flip that open. You're actually going to have 3 different slots here, so I'm going to go ahead and move it all the way to the outside one. That way you guys can see the difference. So here is that. You can see there's way more fog to it, to the light. So you get basically the best of both worlds. You can sharpen it up, you can give it that more fog, or you can leave it right in the center tray and have the best of both worlds. So again, this is a version 3 Elim-A-Dent mini light, and it comes in a 14-inch, which is what I'm holding here, or the 20-inch. If you have any more questions, you can reach out to the support team over at Elim-A-Dent, and we want to thank you guys for stopping by the booth today and checking out this awesome mini light.
Yeah.